All right, I'm going to impress you with my amazing drawing skills. That is my giant redwood tree, and when they say it grows vertically, they mean it's perpendicular to the ground. And then we're going to walk a certain distance from the tree and measure the angle of elevation to the top of the tree. So the top of the tree is right here, and we're going to assume that this tree grows vertically, so there's a right angle here, and then we're going to walk out. We're going to start walking dun, 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 to somewhere here. So from here to here, that is the unknown distance, or the certain distance. If I walk a certain distance, we'll call that x, from the tree, and then measure the angle of elevation to the top of the tree, angle of elevation, that means you're gonna have like a, I don't know, some type of a thing. And from here to here, this is your angle of elevation, which is 63 degrees. And we know the tree, the height of the tree is 360. So what I'm looking at here is a right triangle. I have a right triangle that is 360 degrees here, 63 degrees there, and I have no idea what that is. And they are asking me how far from the base of the tree am I? That is x. Now, since that's all the information they gave me, I have to use my angle, and based on that angle, okay, so here's my angle. This side here would be adjacent to that one, and this side here would be opposite. That's opposite. So it's opposite over adjacent. And if you have the opposite over the adjacent, that belongs to TOA. That would be the tangent of theta. And so my opposite side is the 360, right? Opposite side is the orange. The adjacent side is the blue. And my theta is that pink angle theta. So it's 360 over x equals the tangent of 63 degrees. This one's a little harder to solve because my x is in the denominator. So I am going to use blue. I'm going to multiply both sides by x so that this x and that x cancel out. So at this point you've got 360 equals the tangent of 63 times x. And now if you want to solve for x, you have to divide off the tangent of 63, so those cancel. And then you got to do the same thing over here. So the calculation that I need to perform on my calculator is 360 divided by the tangent of 63 degrees, and just like before, round your answer to 4 decimal places. So I'm grabbing my handy dandy calculator. 360 divided by tangent of 63, and I get, well, nice little walk, 183.429. It says 1 and then there's a 6 after it, so the 1 becomes a 2. That should be, and it's feet away from the base of the tree. Let me see. How did I do? I am so smart. Got a degree in math. I guess I should be, huh? All right. And that was the last question. Woohoo! Hope you have enjoyed this week's math.